Everyone, this is Darren with Madcap Toys. I'm going to answer a few questions that we constantly get on Mercari. We've tried to answer it, but I think the best way to do it is to show you some of the shipping limitations that you as a seller will run into when you're listing on Mercari. Let's go on down through here. I'm putting on a live listing of a Juggernaut comic. And when you come down to shipping down here, you're going to see that you're going to be asked for your shipping zip code. You're going to be asked, do you want to pay for it? That'd be you. Or do you want the buyer to pay for it? Well, in this case, we're going to have the buyer because there's not a lot of markup here to make money one way or the other. But here's your limitations. All right, when you go into your item, it'll say, what is the item's weight? Well, we know this because we sell so many of these that these are basically 9 ounces, including our box that we use. And you always want to add the box into it, because if you don't, you're going to end up either having your customer pay the excess shipping via the postal service that you choose to use, or you will be getting charged by Mercari to pay the excess shipping if the postal service that you choose so deems you need to make that right. Now, if your item is big, you need to put in your length, your width, your height, etc. Okay, but see, I put this at 9 ounces, so let's see what it says. Calculate. All right, $4.99. Now, I get a lot of questions about people or from people that say, how do I know when or how I can use priority, first class, flat rate, regional rate, etc. Or if I want to use FedEx or UPS. Well, as you can see here, I've chose the USPS for $4.99. If I was to choose FedEx, it'd be $9.99. UPS is $9.99. You're not going to want to do that any other way right now, because it's not like eBay where you can say, okay, I want to use priority, I want to use flat rate, I want to use regional, I want to use UPS, I want to use FedEx. You want to make it your choice right here, right now. Now you can change it up a little bit if you choose to ship it yourself when the item sells, but we always ship it through this method because we're more protected, at least we're told that by Mercari. Now, if you want to use priority mail, you have to do something that's a little bit stupid. Okay, you're going to have to move your weight of your item to 1.1 pound. You can't put 13 ounces, you can't put 14 ounces, 15 or 16, because that person will still get the item cost at $4.99 shipping or $4.60 shipping, etc. And you will have to pay the difference, and it's very hard to change it up via Mercari unless someone out there knows a better way to do it. But if you do this, now look at this. This is a difference in your shipping price if you go over to make something to where it could be priority on Mercari. Until they fix this, we're all sort of caught up in a catch-22. And this is what I kept trying to answer people, but a lot of people didn't understand it, didn't seem like, and we keep getting the question. But see, when you get to 1.1 ounces, your rate jumps on the Postal Service by not quite $7. It is cheaper to go UPS because you can go up to several pounds here for $9.99, or even FedEx is $11. So unless you have to do that, I would advise you guys to just go at the rate of the weight. Now again, make sure that you have the weight of your packing, your box, and all this in together, because if you don't, this is what I was doing at one time, because the basic comic weight without any packing or box is 5 ounces or 6 ounces. And if we go that way, you'll see that it goes down to 460. Now let me go back and show you something here. If I go 5 ounces, I think that's the one that does it. No, that's $4.60. But anyway, you can get this down to basically $3.46 or so if your weight is down there around 4 ounces or so. But the problem is, guys, again, you're going to get a note from Mercari saying, hey, you was shy and messed up and you need to round up your figure. So if you've got something that weighs 7.8 ounces, you roll it up to 8. If it's 4.1 ounces, you roll it up to 5. If it's 8.1, it goes to 9 ounces. Let me change that. Because if you don't, you or your customer may get charged an extra bit of money from Mercari or the service that you use to shipping service. So I just wanted to bring that out to you, point it out, and let you guys know that this is why right now there are some limitations on Mercari's shipping method. Whereas on eBay you can go all the various things you want. You know, UPS, FedEx, first class, regional, priority, etc. So guys, I hope you found this video informative and that it helps you understand a little bit more what we've been talking about Mercari's current shipping limitations. And we do try to encourage Mercari, and if you ever have this, you might send them a line as well to get them to speed up the updates on the shipping method, because really it's costing a lot of us sellers sales because we can't combine shipping, and we also cannot give what I call a fair shipping rate. If something is at 1 pound, I have to instantaneously move it up to 1.1 pound, because otherwise I'm going to get stuck with a large amount of shipping that the customer didn't pay for, and that can increase as well if it's based on zip code and weight and size, etc. So thank you guys for stopping by. Check back with us for more videos on Mercari and eBay, and be sure to subscribe and hit the like button below, and we would take your comments. And if any of you guys know of a workaround on Mercari shipping, be sure to let us know in the comments below. We'd be happy to learn that ourselves. Thank you guys. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.